They're not twins. They're sisters. My favorite brush sa pag-apply ng blush. Whoa, that rhymed. Na-emphasize yung pores ko. Hey guys! What's up? It's Renee and welcome back to my channel. For today, as you can see, wala akong suot na blush because I'll be reviewing blush na nakita ko sa Shopee and actually sobrang mura niya. I don't know this particular brand. Nakita ko lang talaga siya sa Shopee while scrolling. So, I thought, why not try it out? I was randomly scrolling at Shopee, then I accidentally saw this blush. Actually, ano siya, a whole bunch of collection na blush lang yung kinuha ko kasi, ewan ko, yun lang yung kinaya ng budget. Nah, just kidding. Pero na-intrigue ako sa blushes nila kasi from the looks of it, parang siyang promising. Maganda siya. Parang ganun yung vibe niya. So anyway, ang dami ko na sinabi. Ito yung blush na sinasabi ko. This is the Saniye. I don't know if this is a brand. Can you let me know if this is really a brand or just a China brand? I'm not sure. Anyway, this is the Saniye. I don't know how to pronounce it. Saniye Pure Mineral Blush. So, I got 2 shades kasi dalawa lang naman yung cheeks ko eh. It is just, girl, 59 pesos. Oh my gosh. Sobrang mura niya. For the price, check agad siya. Dito sa Shopee, ang tawag sa kanya is
Saniye 8 Colors 3D Face Blusher Powder Palette with Mineral Blush.
Ang haba niya. Ang haba ng pangalan niya, pero ang nakalagay lang talaga dito is Pure Mineral Blush. So, bakit Shopee, bakit mo pinahaba? Meron siyang 8 shade. I got the shade Coral and Toronja. Here's the blush. Dalawa lang yung meron ako kasi dalawa lang naman yung cheeks ko. So, saan ko pa ilalagay iba? First, let's talk about the packaging. It's nice. It's really nice. Like, I love how aesthetic this looks. So, harap niya, yung background color niya is yung kung ano yung corresponding shade niya. This is Coral, by the way. Then, naka-print yung Pure Mineral Blush. Then, at that back, nandito yung ingredients, the shade number. Good for 24 months siya upon opening, sabi dito. Pagbukas niya, so, ayan. Ito yung mirror niya. Tapos, ito mismo yung pan ng blush. And, honestly, malaki siya. In fairness, for the size, for the pan size, it's big. What's, anong size? 8 grams. Okay. Or 0.282 ounce. Swatch muna natin siya. Let's see kung ano yung ano niya. Okay. So, bakit parang mali yung shade na nakuha ko? So, here's the swatch. Oh! Can you see? Medyo colorful siya. Ayan. So, yan yon. This is Coral. That is Coral. First impression, parang feel ko di siya bagay sa akin. Pero, that's just the color. Next blush is Toronja. Then, ito siya. Oh, no! It's orange. Kinabahan ako ng medyo slight kasi orange siya. Like, okay. Anyway, it's orange. Mukhang mali yung nasa website kasi mukha siyang parang brownish. Yung texture niya, alam niyo yung parang yung Johnson's powder, like yung white, yung nilalagay sa likod, ganun. Ganun yung parang hawak niya. Oh my god, it's orange. Orange siya, girl. So, as you can see, orange siya. Pero, mukhang okay naman siya pag blend. So, this is Coral. This is Toronja. Okay, so, itatry na natin siya. For this blushes, ang gagamitin kong brush is stippling brush. This is the e.l.f. stipple brush and this is the Beauty Cosmetics stipple brush. My favorite brush sa pag-apply ng blush, whoa, that rhymed. My favorite way of putting blush is using this Artist Studio gold brush. I'm not sure. I forgot kung saan ko to nakuha eh. Since wala akong kaparehong brush nito, I'll just use the stipple brush para may somehow they are similar sa finish. So, ayan. Kitang-kita nyo na ang mukha ko. And yeah, I have my It's not breakouts kasi may tawag sa skin something ka, but it's definitely not a skin disease. I think this side, lalagay ko yung coral. This side, lalagay ko naman yung taronja. Parang napansin ko, hindi pantay yung kilay ko ngayon na. Yung kilay ko, hindi pantay. Pero okay lang yan. They're not twins. They're sisters. Here's coral. This is coral. Na natin kung may kick up. Yeah. Marami siyang powder kick up. I'm not sure kung nakikita, pero anyway. Marami siyang powder kick up. Ooh. So, para nga siyang yung yung Johnson's baby powder. I'm not sure if it's baby powder, pero yung Johnson powder. So, kinakabahan ako. Ooh.
Meanwhile,
So, my left side face is done. For this side, I'll be using the Beauty Cosmetics stipple brush. For this side of my face, I'll be using Toronja, which is most probably I'm not gonna love because it's orange. Ako kasi hindi siya pantay. I have a lot of texture going on, so I'm currently working it out with my derma.
later that same evening.
Okay, so we're now done applying these two products right here. First things first. So, napansin ko agad na na-emphasize niyo yung pores ko. Kitang-kita ko yung pores ko. Then, sa kabila, ganun din. So, the color is actually nice. Akala ko, I won't love this. But, what do you think? Sa camera kasi parang pareho siya eh. Parang hindi halatang orange to. Tapos ito coral. Pero, I like the coral more. Kasi pag nasa salamin, madidistinguish mo kung alin yung toronja at kung ano yung coral. When it comes to color, it's buildable. Hindi naman yung isang ganun ko lang. Boom! Hindi naman siya ganon. So, good siya. At the same time, I'm not sure kasi stippling brush yung ginamit ko, diba? For the sake of this video, I'll be using this brush also. Konti lang kasi baka mamaya maging clown na tayo. Tatap ko lang ng isang beses. Dalawa yun. Pero, tap ko rin ng ganyan. Then, try ko dito. By the way, coral yung kinuhanan ko lang product. Okay, so hindi rin siya ganun ka blush. Hindi siya ganun mag-apply. Pero syempre, para pantay, lalagyan din natin yung kabila. What do I think of these products? Honestly speaking, I think it's worth a try considering the price point. It's only 59 pesos. I'm not sure if it's long wearing, pero I feel like hindi. Kasi yung texture niya is powdery type siya. Like, yung Johnson's powder, ganun yung feeling niya. So, I'm not really sure kung long wearing siya. I'll update you guys sa baba kung long wearing siya. Kasi, it's midnight and I'm sleepy. I think it's a great find in Shopee. Nakuha ko siya sa saniyecosmetic.ph. Sa Shopee yun. Tapos sa Saniye Cosmetics, meron ding mga iba't iba pang products. Pero hindi ko na sila kinuha kasi nga yung budget ko pang blush. I'm going to try other products soon. All of their products is below 100 pesos.
What?
Like, ang pinakamahal lang nila is 668, which is the brushes. Tapos, yeah, the eyeshadows are also expensive. And I think may ginagaya sila kasi may nakikita akong mga palettes na parang kamukha ng Too Faced, kamukha ng Morphe, ganyan. Check out their shop if you want to. Then, meron din silang makeup brushes. I think I'll order that soon din. So, marami silang products. Although, for this one, buy at your own risk. Kasi, of course, hindi natin kilala tong brand na to. I'm just doing this kasi wala akong magawa. I feel like I'm treasure hunting sa Shopee kung ano yung mga murang products. So that's it guys. Leave me a comment down below if na-try mo na ba tong Pure Mineral Blush by Saniye. What do you think of it? What color did you pick? Ano yung verdict mo dito? Na-emphasize din ba niyo yung pores mo? Do you think okay yung quality niya versus the price tag? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts about this product, and kung nakatry ka pa na ibang Saniye product, let me know also. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the bell button down below for notifications in case I upload again. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you again on my next video. Bye!